Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to stitch beadwork onto leather. This is a belt that I'm making, so I'm stitching the beadwork onto the leather for the finishing. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. Hi guys, as you can see, I already had done some progress on stitching up my belt with the beadwork, but where we're going to resume from, it's just going to be the same process starting. So you have to have stitched your beadwork separately, and then you get a leather that you then proceed by making holes like this. For me, I used a machine to make the holes with a needle, so that we can be able to stitch our beadwork onto the leather. This is going to be the top side of the leather belt. Then the underside we're going to attach with glue once we're done stitching this beadwork onto the leather. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So we proceed. I have a needle. This needle is special. I don't remember the actual size, but when I get it, I'm going to put the size in the description, or for you who know the actual size that can be used on these beads, kindly tell us in the comment section below. But it's a very narrow needle. It's not the normal needle that can easily pass through beads like that. Okay, so I already threaded my needle. We begin on the bottom side. I hope you can see that clearly. Pass the needle from the bottom up to the top, and then you pull your string, and then from the top you can either decide to pass the needle through one of the beads or two, so as to make your work become more firm. And after doing so, you pass it to the bottom through another hole. I hope you can clearly see what I'm doing. Like that. Then we pass the needle from the top through the holes that were already made, like that. Then pass through this to make it more secure, like that. And then proceed from the bottom up. You're basically anchoring your beadwork onto the leather. Make sure that the beadwork sticks well. It's neat so that there are no bumps when your work is done. If you can see that. Thank you everyone who has been subscribing to our channel. Thank you for all our viewers. We're grateful for the comments that you've been giving us. If you find it hard to pull the needle, you can use an alternative bead, or you can use pliers, but it's very easy for you to break your needle if you constantly use the pliers. So as you can see, we pull like this. Then you just repeat the same process, making a pattern at the bottom so that your work is strong. This project is going to take a very long time, roughly 3 hours, so I'm going to be updating you bit by bit on the progress, because I can't do the whole thing on camera. So just make sure you're keen when you're doing your own pattern, keen not to be pierced by the needle, and also to make sure your artwork sticks well. But this is part of how we get it done. So guys, to check on the progress of this belt, please stay tuned to our channel. We will keep updating you as we proceed on the belt, and once it's done also, I believe we'll make a video on it so that you can see how it looks. Please don't you can also check our Instagram page to see more of our products. Our Instagram page is @arts and landscaping. You can also find a link onto our channel on our bio. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.